Good afternoon. I've dragged my feet on getting itchy way too long. So today we're gonna cut and grind and chisel out a whole bunch of fiberglass from Misfortune here. So enjoy. I appreciate you watching. We'll make this a short video. Please like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do there. And let's get after it. Hey you. Yeah, you. Let's make a mess. We'll get itchy. I know you've been waiting for more boat stuff, and I have too. I've been dragging my feet, but I'm just going to start grinding fiberglass and see where it goes. This will probably be a lot of small videos over a lot of days, and I'll probably just put them all into one video. And it shows that I don't have a whole lot of battery left, so let's get to it. Alright, that's enough for me for right now. I'll see you shortly. Hang tight. Marcus!
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
Huh?
What are we doing today?
Figure out this mask, but I don't know if it's an eye mask or...
You're a pirate, alright.
Arr, matey. Arr.
Well, I mean, it is boat time, so... More freaking grinding. It's gonna be a good time.
Did you vacuum that out again?
No, I probably should. Maybe that's what we ought to do first. Vacuum it out. Schmeg down in there.
Should I just use that one?
Oh, I don't care what vacuum you use. We probably ought to at least make it so the computer's not wide open.
You want that in there?
Oh, yeah, probably not a bad idea. Well, what we've learned is all the glue plugs up these 40 grit sanding belts. So I'm going to run the belt sander where we've already ground the glue off, and we're going to have Marcus here run the angle grinder with a wire cup on it and try to get the glue ground off. I'm going to want my breathing apparatus here. I don't think it's out there. Hey, there it is. There it is. Oh. This is gonna get dusty. Part of it's repair and part of it's the original layer. Kind of like what I started taking up on that side. More fun cutting fiberglass. See if we can spin this. Get a little more clearance. Ooh, hey, yeah, let's make sure it's actually hooked. Another piece out. Getting down into some good meat. Won't be long now. All right, got our square, our pencil, and a tape measure. We're gonna get these marked out here, so I know where to cut them. I'd like to cut them just ahead of where this bulkhead goes. If I could reach and show you actually where the bulkhead went. So let's get you set up here so you can see what I'm doing. It's quite a squeeze to get down in here. So I'd like to keep this as close to a normal number as I can. So let's go 11 feet. And I understand I have my square the wrong direction, but it gives me a flat line there to mark against. And I'm not going to be able to get my head through there. Oh man, my head don't fit. I'm using this wider blade here on my multi-tool. I probably ought to be using an actual saw, but I'm not. Try to get a flat, straight line. So we'll get all that old repair out. We'll go up just a little bit beyond where the light is. We'll go to 11 feet because I got 12-foot 2x4s to replace what's currently missing. So let me hook you up. Just want to be able to transfer that number. Okay, and to make it just as screwy as the other side, we're still going to square up from here. Because that's just the way it's going to happen. Let's try it. Wow. Okay. There's the repair. We're gonna have to cut a little bit more here. That's why I didn't get all the way down through. Yeah, I probably should have been wearing the respirator for that, but, well, look at that. No, I guess my beard's just that gray. So, let's see what we got here. This was the repair. I am unsure of what kind of wood this is. I would assume it's some sort of teak or mahogany or something. It is considerably heavier than this piece right here that was original stringer. And you can see it was starting to get a little punky there on the end. And it probably wouldn't have broken off had I cut the whole way through. But I can see why they changed that stringer. I just can't see why they used such a heavy material. Maybe Douglas fir was not available. Maybe they thought they were doing the boat a favor. I don't know. But look at that. 2 stringers cut at exactly the same length. All this still needs to come out. So I guess we'll do a little more pounding and chiseling and screwing around. And yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Obviously I have a whole bunch of grinding and chiseling and smoothing things out to do before I can get the new stringers in here. So I'm going to wrap this video up. But I do appreciate you watching. Please hit like, subscribe, or comment, or all 3. I don't know. Whatever you feel like doing. But we're on to this until it's done now. I do have some Subaru content again. I know I'm sick of it too. That I may use as some filler in here while I'm actually getting things done. But the time is coming. Things are thawing out. And I want to go for a boat ride in this thing.